Where did the insect go?
Huh? Hello, Yo-Yo! Hello, everyone!
You know, Yo-Yo, that talking insect has flown away. We don't know where it went. It was talking very loudly, and yet its mouth didn't move at all.
It's called a cicada. The sound it makes doesn't come from its mouth.
Huh?
So let's go and figure it out in the space of imagination!
Awesome!
Super imagination!
Wow! We have wings now!
La, la,
The cicada's noisy again.
Follow me now!
la, 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 la. Are you here to listen to my music? My music is so beautiful, so exquisite, and so profound. Do you understand it?
What?
Mr. Cicada, you're making a lot of noise!
So you don't like my music?
Mr. Cicada, I want to know how you can make that kind of music. Can you please tell us?
I'll tell you about it then. You see, I make music using the two tymbals on my abdomen.
Oh, I get it. So you make a sound using your abdomen.
Mind you, I'm not making just any sound. I'm playing my music.
Wait, Mr. Cicada, why do you have to play music non-stop? Can't you take a rest?
Not yet. It's just that I've been looking for my beautiful bride, but she got lost and still hasn't been found.
You see, once a cicada is already fully grown, it plays music non-stop to call its bride.
La 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 la.
So Mr. Cicada's music is for his bride to come. Mr. Cicada, I'm sure she will come.
Yes, yes!